This 2023 Jayco Seneca XT 32U is a Super C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.